So practice here for a second. Your turn. For each pair, which is the more polar bond? To which of the atoms in the bond will the electron pair be more strongly attracted? Okay, and so they tell you to use the electronegativity table. And so looking at each one of these, HF compared to HCl, the electronegativity value for hydrogen is 2.1, fluorine is 4, 2.1, and 3. And so the difference here is 1.9, and the difference here is 0.7. So we would say that this one is more electronegative, and the electrons are in the direction, in both cases, of the halide. All right, and let's look at the next one. NHOH. Again, you just look up the values on the table, and nitrogen is 3, hydrogen is 2.1, oxygen is 3.5, hydrogen is 2.1, and so in this case, the electronegativity difference is, let's see, 1.4, we just did that one, and this is 0.9, so this would be the more polar bond, and the vector would be in the direction of the oxygen, or in this case the nitrogen, in which case they are both the more electronegative atom in that bond. And then the last one you can do yourself and see if you can figure it out. You should come to the conclusion that this one is the more polar bond. Okay, so that's just using the table and defining covalent bonds. Are they purely covalent? Well, if the atoms are exactly the same or the electronegativity difference is less than 0.3, that's usually considered purely covalent. And in that case, the purely covalent bonds are also referred to as non-polar bonds. They don't have a positive and negative end. That's what that means.